One thing I'm sure of, this isn't a coincidence. We really have been led to the same place by different clues. Haven't we, Detective? Do you think you can stop it in time? The massacre on the horizon, it's about to sweep through this town.
Have any idea how terrible the things you did really were? Do you understand what it means to destroy a human being's sense of good and evil? Can you even begin to comprehend what happens when you awaken the monster inside each of us?
This is what true sadness feels like. It feels a lot like happiness.
People can become whatever they want to be.
Only one thing's equal for all, and that is death.